We are going to start with the brows, and I'm going to go in with my MAC Studio Fix Concealer in NW45, and then I'm also going to go in with my MORPHE Chocolate Mousse, and then I'm also going to go in with my Brow Stylist Boost and Set. Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and if you're new here, welcome. I welcome you with all the love I got. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'm on the road to 1K. Love you. Mwah. I'm just gonna go in with a spoolie as well and just fit up the front of my brows. Look at those brows though. They are on point. And I'm gonna go in with some concealer. And I'm going to be grabbing my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Chai. And I'm just gonna put this out over my eyelids and underneath my eyes because we are going to be doing a full base. Okay? A full base. And I actually went in with my Real Techniques brush. I grabbed this from Walmart. I'm going to go in with my NARS foundation in Barnares, and I got this from Sephora. And I'm also gonna go in, I'm gonna mix the two, and I'm gonna mix my e.l.f. Flawless foundation in the color Chocolate. And I'm gonna mix these two. And the reason why I'm mixing these two is because sometimes when I do put on my chocolate foundation, my mother, my sister always says, oh, your makeup looks dark. And I'm like, how? This is like my skin. But I don't know, for my type of skin tone, it's kind of difficult to get my exact color. So I'm gonna kind of mix the two. See how that one's a little bit light and that one's a little bit darker, but I love these two foundations anyway, so I just want to mix the two. I think what I'm gonna do today is set my face first. I'm gonna go in with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Powder in Dark Deep. I'm gonna go in with some concealer once again, and this is a full like coverage type of beat, so I'm trying to go all in. Okay, I'm going to be going in with Chai and Butterscotch. Chai is a bit darker and Butterscotch is a little bit lighter. But did I say Butterscotch? I'm gonna go in with Chai and Butterscotch. So this is Butterscotch and this is Chai. So as you can see, Chai is a little bit darker than Butterscotch, so I'm going to be applying Chai again, and then on top of Chai I'm going to add Butterscotch. Just add like a little dot of this because it is really bright. And I'm just gonna do a bit of my chin with Chai, just like a drop. Gonna do my nose. and we are about to play with it. Oh my goodness. So this is the Saweetie collection with MORPHE, and I'm super excited to grab this palette because it's super gorgeous. 24A artist pass. Okay. Oh my goodness. I'm about to go in with a desert vibe. That's a nice warm orange, and I'm gonna put that out over my crease, and I'm using my MORPHE M535 brush. Whew. Look at this. I know you guys seen that. Hold on, I think I'm gonna pick it on first because there's so much fallout. It don't matter where you apply it. Do that first and then smoke it out. I'm gonna go in with Seek shade, and it looks like a dark burgundy, but I could be wrong, so let's just see how that looks, or a dark brown. This is my baby. I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Revolutions Cut Crease Canvas and Etch, and I'm just gonna put that all over my lid. I'm gonna put some tape. Desert vibes onto my lid first and then apply Wild Out. So my eyelashes are on. That was quick. Okay, so back in with concealer, okay? Because I think I'm going crazy with the concealer, but I love concealer. So I'm gonna go in with Try It once again, and then I'm gonna go top it off with butterscotch. I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the number 375, and I'm gonna use that to contour. Just gonna add a bit of that. Oh my god, my hair is getting everywhere. I'm gonna go in with the beauty blender and just blend out that contour. You see how that's so connected? I'm just gonna kind of use the same brush we used with the concealer and just fade that out. It's time to kind of set my under eyes and my nose area and kind of my chin and like my forehead a bit. And I'm gonna go in with the Sasha Buttercup powder, my Real Techniques brush. I'm gonna try to use this today because I'm trying to try new things out. I'm allowing the powder to just set underneath my eye, but I'm kind of going like back and forth with it. I feel like I want to use this for my bronzer, but I don't know, I'm kind of like scared about all that. But you guys already know, for the bronzer, I'm gonna go in with my MORPHE Gamma Bronze and Leader. Period. and that's how that looks. Do you guys see how my face just looks so flawless with this bronzer? I should smoke out underneath my eye. I'm just gonna add a bit of that desert vibes because it's a vibe. Don't mind this, okay? Because I'm gonna glue it on after. I don't know if you guys see that, but I'm gonna just let you guys know. Going with white liner. What do you guys think? Should I go in with white liner or no? Because I don't think I should go with white liner. I honestly need to stop going in with this white liner. I'm kind of going in with, what's Security looking like? Security. So I'm gonna go in with Secret Set, and I'm gonna put that in my corner. We should go in with some blush. Okay, and I don't know what I'm feeling for, but oh, we're gonna go in with the Saharan Blush Volume 1 palette, and we're gonna go in with Neo. I think Neo's pretty. Let's go. Oh yeah. I love me some good old blush. Like, I'm gonna go in with Sweet Peach by Saweetie. And this is the finishing spray. Oh, this is real cute. This is giving me summer vibes. Oh, this is really pretty. Hey. Oh, mine's a stuck person. I was like, hey. What is going on here? No, you guys, mine actually came free. Mine just popped. Every day there's a problem. Oh, it smells so freaking good, you guys. It smells like peaches. Setting spray just, I don't know, it just gives you like, I don't know, a natural feel, but I don't feel like it did anything to my face. Do you guys feel like it did something to my face? Why is it doing that? Like, am I supposed to? Like, mine's just getting stuck inside the cap. That's so weird. It's time for highlight. And I feel like I'm going to be using front row as a highlight. So let's see how front row looks. Yeah, it's giving me that gold bean type of look. It's giving me like that boom when I turn my face. I think it's looking pretty good. And now we're going to be trying, oh my god, it's so embarrassing. So now we're going to be trying the Icy Lips. It has 3 different colors. Aww, and it says on the back of it, "Have a Kiss on Me" by Saweetie with her signature on it. That's super cute. Okay, so I don't know what this look is giving. I feel like it's giving this, but it can also give this. It can give this, but I'm feeling for a pop of color. Platinum 8. What do you guys think? I'm gonna kind of plump my lips a little bit more by just adding some concealer. Okay guys, so the look is complete. You know you want me because I'm looking succulent, I'm looking juicy, I'm looking fabulous. The GH Barbie. No talking no more. We just do. I really love the big mirror right here because the big mirror just makes it easier for you to just dip into your eyeshadow and just go like right in with your eyes. So that's what I really love about this palette. Yeah, we're definitely going to be creating 3 looks with this palette, so stay tuned to that. I'm about to be causing problems in these streets. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this look. On the road to 1K, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Love you all. Mwah.